cheaper than online.
So now we are leaving to go to the Hoover Dam, then the Grand Canyon, and then after that, day after, we're going to Disneyland, but I don't know what we're going to record, so just don't expect much. So we'll see you somewhere. This is Luxor. Zoom in on it. Where is it? It says welcome to Las Vegas. It's back there. I can see it. There's this really cool license plate that has Las Vegas, the welcome to Las Vegas sign on it.
That thing over there? It's a park there. Oh. The bridge is the dam is very tall.
Just watched the movie. It was completed in 5 years, supposed to be 7. You only get 2 days off a year, $4 a day.
On the Boulder Canyon project. These brave characters, called high scalers, swung from the top of the canyon walls by a single rope on a bosun's chair, drilling, blasting, and chipping away at the rock. They worked the walls to their solid foundation to prevent the natural rock, one on each side of the canyon.
These things over here for flooding, and it's only been used twice for the test in the 1983 flood. Waiting for the tour to start. There are tons of hats down here.
The hat they drive.
Rip.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again, because a vision softly creeping left its seeds while I was sleeping. 720 feet.
These new elevators were constructed, and these elevators.
Let's go down a crammed elevator with like 40 people.
Between 1905 and 1919, it was.
It took 6.5 years to fill like Mead. Hoover Dam is as thick as that room, even 10 feet thicker.
On the other side, you have to come up to. You want to take pictures? Just take note of what's centered on each one of these designs by Alan Cumberland.
This is the biggest part in my 150 feet.
Yeah, I felt a little claustrophobic.
Meet over here. Oh, I touched the wall. I'm slipping and sliding. You're in the middle of the path. Can you send me a picture? That grave was 100 feet down.
And that's it. But from my shoulder down to the floor, if you notice the planks have gone a little bit wider. Drilled. They would insert right into the concrete and they pull out chunks of concrete and they can test for hardness of the concrete throughout the process. And as yes, I did say money's worth. The first tours here in 1937 were not free. It was 25 cents a person. Now, it doesn't seem like a lot of money today, but back in those days of the Great Depression, when the average wage for an American was $1 to $3 a day, that was a lot of money. The original elevator door from 1933, folks. Right. Those are the two top answers. They're both wrong. What's the third answer? If it's gold, I would be peeling it right now, but no. Bronze. This is a solid bronze door, folks. Solid bronze. A lot of people that say, how come it doesn't look green like those bronze beam statues outside? Well, that's because this is shined every day for the past 85 years. Come on, Jay.
It's the dam bus. Going over the dam.
Make a U-turn and proceed to Nevada Highway. Make a U-turn and proceed to Nevada Highway.
Does the time change for Nevada
We're in Arizona.
Make a U-turn and proceed to Launch Access Road.
Yeah, make a U-turn. Please. The last time.
Over that bridge, as you just saw, sort of the white. Oversized load, no duh.
Adam. It slipped. Dang. It said watch for rocks. Oh, I see a bunch of rocks over here. I'm watching for them.
Here, you guys watch for them for me while I do something else. 5 hours later.
Caution. Lane is shutting. Caution.
Caution, lane is shutting. Caution. Hashtag what we do when we ask you to do something.
Left lane closed. Now the left lane's closed. What?
Oh my gosh. The right lane's closed, now the left lane's closed. What is going on here? Oh wait guys, you still have to watch for the rocks.
We're going to drive on them.
5 hours later.
Driving on the yellow line, so hope we don't get arrested.
Caution. garbage bags on them.
That's nice.
Plastic bags. with
No,
stuff
the
in it.
bags of sand.
Oh, jeez, I dropped you guys. Excuse me. Oh, jeez, I dropped you guys. Excuse me.
Oh, geez, I dropped you guys.
Oh no, look how bad the brightness is.
He scared himself.
Okay, lower the brightness.
He scared himself.
Okay, you guys can watch the rocks for me.
Yeah. Watch, please. Watch for the rock.
Watch it, please. Tripod, please.
Wait, give me the camera. I need to show them all these rocks.
Oh my gosh, for.
Oh my gosh, there's so many rocks you can watch.
Oh, there's a raptor in front of us.
Oh, the raptor.
Feel focus.
Raptor.
Oh my gosh, now the right lane's closed. What the heck is it?
Okay, bye.
Oh, now we're on the
Bye for now.
bad. Bye for now. AKA Siri says that. Bye for now. Told you it was bye for now. We passed the raptor. Let's see what.
Oh, look at all the rocks.
I was going to record this. Look how many rocks there are. Here, show them your side.
Okay, my side's beautiful, guys. So here we have all the trees, and then there's rocks in the background. So we'll see you later.
Past the ornamental vases and numbered doors, Sunny Baudelaire felt as if the clock was scolding her for her efforts at solving the mysteries of the Hotel Denouement.
So we made it to the hotel. Sorry about the bad thing, but you can see the sprinklers just adding mud over here. So I'm just gonna do some comedy about it.
So it's just like the sprinkler's just going in the mud, and it's just like.
I can't even see through it. Oh, you can see through this one.
Okay, so the sprinkler
You can't. It's so dirty.
is just going in the mud. It's like our
So,
car.
there's-
The window's like our car. It's so dirty.
And then
that's
should I open up the window?
No, don't open it up.
I have no clue how to open up the window.
Close it.
No.
Yes.
No. No, let me open it. Oh, wait, this isn't the right
There's
window.
still gonna be a screen there. Just
Okay. You
it's not
can't.
even watering plants. It's just like I thought this was the desert, right? And you can't really put too much water.
And then that one over there is just going crazy.
It just attacks everything.
Okay,
It
well,
gets
I
the
thought it was gonna be
halfway
better.
right.
We can see through it, and we sort of have a Grand Canyon view, but I can't see anything at all. Except that.
I can see a little bit.
Because now I'm gonna go try to get Adam Wi-Fi.
Yeah, it was a deal.
But you didn't really do comedy about it, so yeah.
Wow.
Ew, I'm zoomed in on the wrong part. Oh, jeez. Bye,
But
guys.
How far I can jump. Ew. Why are you farting? Are you fine?
Oh, no. The Grand Canyon.
Whoa, look at them over there.
Keeps going down and down and down.
And down until it gets down really deep.
I'll show you the crazy sprinklers.